Hey everybody, Jason Jacobs here with Untitled Chapter. We're going to go over basic form 1. We're going to do a lot of different times so you can follow along. You guys can learn this. Let's get started. We got my students here. Kongyet, Chimbi. Chimbi comes up and then down. Looking to the left, left hand, left foot, low block. And then we have a punch. Now, this hand's out. Your right hand's out, so that's the way you're going to turn. You're going to turn 180 degrees to the right like this, turn low block, and punch. Now, your left foot's out at this point. You're going to go left hand, left foot, 1/4 turn to the left. Don't forget to cross your midline and come down. You're in a good deep front stance. Now punch 1, 2, 3, keep. At this point, I'm going to move back to make sure I'm in frame. Your back foot's going to do the 3/4 turn. 3/4 turn looks like this. Okay, I'll do that again. And punch. And now the form is repeating itself. And the low block. Punch 1, punch 2. Back foot turns, 3/4 turn, low block, and punch. This hand's out, so we turn this way. Turn low block, and punch. Then your left foot comes up, borrow. All right, we're going to do some loops for you. A loop is just following along. Now you can put this right on your TV. All right, let's do basic form 1. Chimbi. All right, you at home, look to the left. Left hand, left foot, low block. Crossing the midline. Front knees over the front toes. Punch. Now your right hand's out right now, so we're going to turn to the right 1/2 turn. This hand's out, this foot's out, that's the direction you turn. Turn low block, and then step forward, punch. Good. Now look to the left, left hand, left foot, low block. Punch 1, punch 2, and now the 3/4 turn. The 3/4 turn, we're going to do this twice. Comes up, left hand over right hand. Left foot turns, low block. Hey, let's do it again. You have your right foot, right hand out. Right foot, right hand out, class, please. Now, left hand comes up, right hand down. Left foot turns, 3/4 turn. There you go. And punch. Turn to the right, 1/2 turn. Right hand, right foot. Low block, and punch. Look to the left. Low block. Punch, punch, punch. So you should be away from your TV or device right now. Now just look behind you for this one. 3/4 turn, low block, and punch. Turn, low block, and punch. And borrow. Now what we're going to do, we're going to do a loop. I'm going to do this 3 times in a row. So stay tuned, follow along. Here we go. Chimbi. 3 times in a row, class. I'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back foot turns. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. Borrow. Pretty good. You ready to go again? Let's do it again. This time no counting, just breathing with every motion. Hook. Should mention we're punching here to the solar plexus, so the punch is down like this. I have a tendency to rise it up a little bit. That's my fault. Borrow. Ready, shot. feet forward. Three-quarter turn. Bar up. Hey, you think you can do it double speed? Let's just do that for fun. All right, class, follow my pace. Ready? Go. Don't normally do it this fast. This is just for fun. Keeping up. Bar up. Shield. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that practice loop. Keep running it. You got this. Thanks.